This is 1959 Velocette Venom Clubman Veeline, which I've restored. I've done everything on it really, the gearbox, the engine, big end, small end, cylinder head, I've done the brakes, wheel bearings, chrome, petrol, paint, lighting, wiring, everything. The idea is to ride it to Malta at some point, and with that in mind I've geared it up by 2 teeth on the gearbox sprocket so it won't rev so much, and I've put LED lighting on. I've put very bright headlight bulb in, and I've also put in a sat nav which is wired into the light circuit, so reminds me to put the lights on.